So I've had my Mini Cooper for about going on literally 4 months now within the next 1 to 2 days. And the biggest question I get asked is, what do you not like about the car? Well, to be honest, the biggest things I like about the car are not like about the car are minor inconveniences. Number one, if you're a bit of a taller person, not like 5'4" or 5'5", you're going to encounter this issue where the AC vent is behind the steering wheel, so you mainly do not get the air from the vent. And I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. So if we take a look right here, hopefully I'm pointing in the right area. You can see the steering wheel right here. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, the steering wheel is blocking the vent, which is right there. So it's blocking it, okay? And you cannot get air unless you close all the other vents in the car, which forces enough air through to go around the steering wheel to then hit you. That is an issue because when it's 98 degrees out and you know it's really hot temperature, you want to be able to get in the car and feel the AC, and you really can't to a degree. The second issue that I have with is actually where the cup holders are placed. I actually like where they're placed, however, they cause issues. For an example, just in a base version Mini, before I grab the camera right here, in a base version Mini Cooper, so you don't know, the only knobs that are down towards the bottom are the window, lock button, and unlock. And the reason why I'm going to say that is you probably can't see it because of how far away the camera's going to be. But we can see right here, we got the lock button, door lock button, and the window button again. But as you can see, this is a small, hopefully you can see that on camera. That is a small drink from Subway, a small drink, and it almost blocks that. What winds up happening is if you get something like a medium drink from Dunkin' Donuts or a medium drink from McDonald's or a large drink, they block these knobs, okay? Now, the issue with that is that let's say you go through a drive-thru, right? And you go through a drive-thru, you get 2 large drinks. Well, in order to then go back around in case they messed up your order, you're going to have to move the drinks to be able to have the window go down. The other issue being is that if you get 2 large drinks, again, of course, or even some mediums actually, when you put the car in park, when you put the shifter in park, it winds up hitting the drinks. And sometimes it won't even go into park unless you move the drink over a little bit and then put it into park. And those are my minor inconveniences. Another one is this right here, the sun visor that comes down, the little flap that's on it to cover the mirror is a little bit cheap. But they're, again, minor inconveniences, which isn't going to stop me from loving the car. I still enjoy it, and it's still very fun to drive and everything like that. I have not encountered any other minor convenience with the car at all. Other inconvenience that I would say would be probably getting to the battery. The battery is located in this version of the Mini Cooper up under where the windshield wipers are, essentially. So you have to take all that out to then get to the battery and then remove it. But other than that, I don't really have any other inconveniences. Everything works as it's supposed to. I don't have any issues. If I had to pick something that would be an issue, if I really had to nitpick at it, would be there is no armrest, which is fine. But in place of the armrest, they just put a circle like this. I guess it's supposed to be a drink holder or something like that, but I just keep change right there. What would have been nice is if instead of having that, they would have had 2 drink holders up here and then 2 here in the back. That way it's easier for people to put their drinks there if they don't want it, or, you know, if you're going on a food run, essentially, you have your 2 up here and 2 in the back right there. But that's essentially it. No more issues other than that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are my minor inconveniences or dislikes about my Mini that I own. And I'll let you guys know and keep you guys posted and updated as I go about. And I'll see you guys next time.